Nestled in the heart of India, in the Ujjain district of Madhya Pradesh, lies the quaint town of Mahidpur. This charming town is often overlooked by travelers, but those who venture here are rewarded with a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. This town may be small, but it holds a special place on the map. Mahidpur is steeped in history, with roots that trace back to ancient times. It has witnessed the rise and fall of empires and has stories to tell from every era. It is a place where history whispers in the wind and nature's beauty unfolds at every turn. The ruins of old forts and temples stand as silent sentinels, guarding the secrets of the past. Mahidpur is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its narrow lanes and hidden pathways invite you to explore and uncover its many treasures. Mahidpur sits on the banks of the revered Shipra River. This river is not just a lifeline for the town, but also a source of spiritual significance. This river adds to the town's spiritual significance. Pilgrims come from far and wide to take a dip in its holy waters, seeking blessings and solace. The town is known for its fertile land and is surrounded by lush greenery. The fields here are a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farmers. The people of Mahidpur are warm and welcoming. Their smiles reflect the town's hospitality and the strong sense of community that binds them together. They live a simple life, deeply connected to their land and traditions. The traditional lifestyle here is a refreshing change from the fast-paced urban life. The pace of life here is slow and peaceful. The streets are lined with quaint houses and shops where time seems to stand still. This makes Mahidpur the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're looking for a spiritual retreat, a historical exploration, or simply a place to relax and unwind, Mahidpur offers it all. Mahidpur has a rich historical past. The town has seen the rise and fall of empires. It stands as a silent witness to centuries of history. Remnants of ancient forts and temples tell tales of a glorious past. The town played a pivotal role in the Paramara dynasty. It was an important center of trade and commerce. The influence of these ancient rulers can still be seen in the town's architecture and culture. The Battle of Mahidpur, fought in 1817, was a significant event in the town's history. This battle marked a turning point in the region's political landscape. Agriculture is the backbone of Mahidpur's economy. The fertile land surrounding the town is a gift of the Shipra River. Farmers here grow a variety of crops. Wheat, cotton and soybeans are some of the main crops. The farmers of Mahidpur rely on traditional farming methods. They use bullock carts to plow their fields. They work hard to cultivate the land and provide for their families. Irrigation canals and wells are vital for agriculture in Mahidpur. These water sources ensure a steady supply of water to the fields. This is essential, especially during the dry season. Section 4. Climate and daily life. A harmonious balance. Mahidpur experiences a typical subtropical climate. The summers are hot and the winters are mild. The monsoon season brings much-needed rain to the region. The climate plays a crucial role in shaping the daily lives of the people. The people of Mahidpur are accustomed to the rhythms of nature. They adjust their daily activities according to the seasons. During the hot summer months, life slows down in the afternoons. The monsoon season is a time of joy and celebration. The arrival of rain brings relief from the heat. It also brings life to the surrounding fields. Section 5. Water bodies. The Shipra's embrace. The Shipra River is the lifeline of Mahidpur. This ancient river has been flowing through the heart of the town for centuries, nurturing the land and its people. Its waters are considered holy, and it holds a special place in the hearts of the locals. It's a sacred river revered by Hindus. Every year, thousands of devotees gather on its banks to take a holy dip, especially during religious festivals. The river is believed to cleanse sins and purify the soul, making it a vital part of spiritual practices. The river flows through the town, blessing the land and its people. Its presence is a constant reminder of the town's rich cultural heritage. The lush landscapes along its banks are a testament to the river's life-giving properties. People come to the river to bathe and offer prayers. These rituals have been passed down through generations, creating a deep connection between the river and the community. The river is not just a physical entity, but a spiritual one as well. The Shipra River is not just a source of water, it is a symbol of life, sustenance, and continuity. The river supports agriculture, provides drinking water, and is a source of livelihood for many. Its waters are used for irrigation, ensuring that the fields remain fertile and productive. It is an integral part of the town's cultural and spiritual identity. Festivals and fairs are often held on its banks, drawing people from far and wide. These events are a celebration of the river's importance and a way to honor its contributions to the community. The river's banks are dotted with temples and ghats. These sacred sites are places of worship and reflection, where people come to seek blessings and find peace. The architecture of these temples adds to the scenic beauty of the river, making it a picturesque and serene location. Besides the Shipra, there are several other water bodies in and around Mahidpur. These include small lakes and ponds that are scattered throughout the region. Each of these water bodies has its own unique charm and significance. These lakes and ponds add to the scenic beauty of the town. They provide a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, offering a peaceful retreat for those seeking solace in nature. The reflections on the water create a mesmerizing effect, enhancing the natural beauty of the surroundings. They also provide a habitat for a variety of birds and aquatic life. These water bodies are teeming with life, from colorful fish to migratory birds. They play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the region, supporting biodiversity and contributing to the overall health of the environment. Section 6: Natural Beauty, a tapestry of green and brown. Mahidpur is blessed with natural beauty. The landscape is a mix of fertile plains, farmlands, and gentle hillocks. The town is surrounded by lush greenery. The air is fresh and invigorating. The best way to experience the natural beauty of Mahidpur is to take a walk through the countryside. The sight of farmers working in their fields is a common sight. The sound of birdsong fills the air. As the sun begins to set, the sky erupts in vibrant hues of orange, pink, and purple. The setting sun casts long shadows across the land, creating a magical atmosphere. Section 7: Beyond Mahidpur, exploring nearby treasures. While Mahidpur itself is a hidden gem, there are several other attractions located nearby. These places offer a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty that are sure to captivate any traveler. The ancient city of Ujjain is just a short distance away. Known for its historical significance and vibrant cultural scene, Ujjain is a city that has something for everyone. Ujjain is one of Hinduism's 7 sacred cities. It is a place where spirituality and history intertwine, offering a unique experience for visitors. It is home to the famous Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga temple. This temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, which are considered to be the most sacred abodes of Shiva. The Kumbh Mela, held every 12 years in Ujjain, attracts millions of pilgrims from all over the world. This grand festival is a spectacle of faith and devotion, where people come to take a holy dip in the Shipra River. Another must-visit destination is Sanchi, home to magnificent Buddhist stupas. These ancient structures are a testament to the rich Buddhist heritage of India. These stupas date back to the 3rd century BC and are listed as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. They are an architectural marvel and a symbol of peace and enlightenment. The Shipra River, which flows through Mahidpur, is also a major attraction. This river is not just a natural wonder, but also holds great religious significance. The river is dotted with temples and ghats, making it a popular spot for pilgrims and nature lovers alike. Whether you're seeking spiritual solace or simply want to enjoy the serene beauty of the river, the Shipra offers a perfect retreat.